This is official aircraft. This is the official aircraft. This is the official aircraft. Obviously, this is Airbus. Either is a presidential, I'm not sure. Shall I give you guys the registration number? It doesn't have. That's a République Française. As you can see, this is an official aircraft. Wonderful, wonderful. Rotate. The aircraft is airborne and safe in the air, guys. Wish them a safe journey to their destination and many more safe flights. Coming back to the activities here. We have EasyJet, which is yielded sport, and it's going to advance obviously there. Okay, so it's his turn to advance, to taxi to the runway for takeoff. That is the EasyJet, guys. Shall give you the registration of the aircraft, and we have a Vueling in the background over there, and EasyJet is moving in. It's moving in, and then it's followed by Vueling A320, A321. Standing takeoff, Oscar Echo India November Mike. That's an EasyJet, guys, Austria. Yeah, Oscar Echo India November Mike. Full throttle. Vueling A321 at Vueling the Echo Charlie Mike Lima Echo. I repeat, Echo Charlie Mike Lima Echo. That's Vueling A320. No, it's A320. Sorry, this is not it's actually I repeat, and correction is A320, A320. I confirm. Echo Charlie Mike Lima Echo. That's a Vueling. Full throttle. There we go. A330. Vueling. Eco Charlie. Mike. Lima. Eco. Rotate safe in the air. Wow, beautiful. Air Koriska, and then behind you have another aircraft which is now taxiing towards the runway as well behind. Okay, let's focus on this one, Air Koriska. So I'll give you guys the registration of the aircraft. A320, and this is Foxtrot Hotel X-Ray Kilo Charlie. Right in front of us, standing Takeoff. And then we have, that looks like Airbus or Boeing. They have almost a similar shape, but I shall confirm. Just stand by on that. Coming back to Foxtrot Hotel X-Ray Kilo Charlie. Air Koriska. Wonderful. Getting speed for getting airborne. Rotate. Beautiful. Off the ground. Aircraft safe in the air. That's a Koriska, guys. Wish them safe journey. République Française.